Caitlin makes the best mimosas.
The other ones that are in there are the...
Yeah, they were not going anywhere.
Caitlin.
What? I was bored.
Okay, let's do a test. I'll make my mimosa and we'll see who is the prettier one.
Okay, what's in the oven? Anything?
Yep.
Top and
Lots
bottom.
of things.
Okay. Next one, what, 375?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's what these need.
What's this? High performance enamel.
You got that there?
What's the point of
Really? You're filming all this?
Yeah.
Think we have enough wine at this house?
I don't know. It's only like 6 boxes. It's really just 4.
It's 4. How's the cigars?
Caitlin, come here. Come here, babe.
I'm too drunk or tipsy for this.
What's in your little mermaid glass or whatever?
Robin.
What's in it?
Wine.
What?
Wine.
So we're about to go watch my little nephew Easter egg hunt.
I feel so bad now.
She's like 4 glasses in.
5, 6.
5, 6, and we gotta take one to go. Where's all the empty bottles at?
There's 4 over there.
Oh, here's all the empty bottles of wine. And one of champagne.
There's like 6.
Caitlin had all of these.
No, I mean a glass of each or 2, not a big deal.
There you go. Awesome. I don't think we've seen her since Bill.
Oh, watch out!
Woo! You're so mean. Stop.
Pick it up.
Please go.
Kids are about to Easter egg hunt. I gotta help Brant.
Now remember.
What are you doing, bud? Caitlin's moved on from wine. She's a little more high class now. There you go. She's got her, but look at her. Alright, thanks for tuning in to my Easter Day vlog. Had a good time, some really good food, and just a relaxed day. Thanks again, and remember, keep it cool. Peace. So what I try to do to get a stabilization feel is just take the tripod, spread the legs all the way out,